Hey, what's going on, real estate friends? Reed Swizer, the build to rent guy, coming to you from a great single family property here in Wadesboro, North Carolina. I want to show you kind of down the road here. Cute little community, houses, lots of new construction. This one's newer. The one that looks like it may have had a fire, a couple houses down that looks like it's going to get rebuilt. So just a cool little community, perfect for your next build to rent option. I'm gonna give you a quick walk through here. This is about 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. These rent up quick. Great little community, about an hour east of Charlotte. But I'm telling you, on the way in, lots of employment opportunities, it's very, there's some rural out here. So you're gonna have like farming type jobs, construction, factories, all sorts of things. But let me give you a quick walk through the house and check it out. So you walk into like a big, great room, as you can see. So you've got living room, ceiling fans. I don't know if I'm in love with that light, but it's a nice light. The fridge is just not installed yet. It obviously does come with a fridge, but not installed yet. So nice big kitchen with an island. The 2 guest rooms. You got guest bedroom number 1, guest bath, guest bedroom number 2, kind of set up Jack and Jill style. And then towards the back of the house, which kind of separates the master suite from the guest rooms, you got a nice big master bedroom. The bathroom, super nice. And then back here, they haven't installed the shelving yet, but a nice big walk-in closet for the master bedroom. I'll show you the backyard here. There's a door out of the laundry room. I'm gonna skip that for time, but also comes with a nice big backyard. So if you're looking for a really inexpensive option, they haven't set the price on these yet. They're gonna be right around 200K, give or take. I'm not sure yet, but I'll have some numbers and a pro forma put together. By the time you see this video, I also took some still shots if you're interested in that. But hey, you know where to find me, floridarealtorx@gmail.com. My cell phone's 239-229-5948. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And you know what? If this house isn't for you, maybe you know somebody who it is. So please share it with them. Be happy to talk to them. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you.